In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to slice an image into multiple sections using a simple duplicate and crop technique. Let's get started. First, select your photo and make copies of it by using the copy icon. You'll need one duplicate for each slice you want to create. With your image selected, head up to the toolbar and choose Edit Image to access the cropping tools. Select one of your duplicated images, then click the Crop button in the toolbar to start defining your first slice. Drag the crop box handles to frame just the portion of the image you want for this slice. This lets you isolate exactly the section you need. Continue this same process with each duplicate. Crop each one to show a different section of the original image until you have all your slices ready. After you've positioned the crop box for your third slice, click Done to finalize it. There you have it! You've successfully sliced your image into separate pieces that you can now arrange or use individually. When you're happy with your work, just hit Share to save or export your sliced images. That's all there is to it. You now know how to slice images and can use this technique in any of your projects.